Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Smore Suckle Seed in Grow Garden. So this seed can be obtained from the Campfire Seed Pack. And to get these seed packs, you will need to submit fruits to the Burnaby during the Campfire event. And once you have some Campfire Seed Packs, just open them and hope for the best. And the Smore Suckle Seed is a mythic rarity. And if you're lucky, you will get this seed, this Smore Suckle Seed, and this seed is a mythic rarity seed, so getting it is completely random and can take some luck. And because of that, it's a good idea to save up multiple seed packs before opening them. And the more packs you have, the better your chance of getting one. And once you finally get the seed, just plant it like any other crops. And in here I can, and then when it grows, it will look like this one, and the fruits will be looks like this one. And this plant is also a multi-harvest crop, which means you can harvest it multiple times. Plus it has a sale value of around 72 72,000 coins, making it a pretty valuable plant to own. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.